y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing some shoulder length passion twists. Finally, I have done long passion twists before, but this is my first time doing shoulder length passion twists. I am starting off with blown out hair. I did go through my hair with a blow dryer because it makes parting very easy in my opinion. Jumping right into the video, I am going to go ahead and start by sectioning a row in the back. And to make my part super crisp today, I am going to be using this Shine and Jam that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. By the way, all of the products will be linked in the description box below. As you all can see, I am applying that jam basically to my scalp, and then I am going through with my rat tail comb that has the metal end to clean it up and make it as crisp as possible. This process, in my opinion, does take the longest because I am a stickler for parts and I am doing my own hair, so it takes me a little bit more time. But yeah, just have your mirror set up so that you can see the front and back of your hair at the same time, and it'll be all right. So I am going to use some clips to clip the hair out the way. And before I start plaiting these sections, I do like to pre-part the hair so that I can make sure that they're the same in size. And as I go through the boxes, I am going to add jam to those parts as well, and then I'm going to smooth the jam into each section and then plait my hair just an inch. And this is to help grip the hair better, and this way we don't have to use any rubber bands and we don't have to use any crocheting methods. And moving on to the next row, I am going to do the same process, but this time I am going to make sure that these parts are staggered in the best way possible, and also trying to maintain the same size of each section. And just like that, but not really, the back section is done. And in my opinion, this is the most difficult part because it is hard to see in the back of your head. This last row, I have 4 sections, then I have 5, and then I went ahead and did 6 to make sure it was staggered, and then we are back to 5 in the next row, and then I finished the back section off with 4 on top. So in the front, we are basically going to repeat the same process, adding the jam to our parts and using that to help clean them up and make them as crisp as possible. I'm only going to do 2 on the sides here. And making sure I add jam to the entire perimeter of each section so that it is sleek. As I move up and I have a lot of baby hair, literally real baby hair, I do like to take those out because we are going to do a little swoop-de-doo at the end for those small baby hairs. And for my sections in the front, I have 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, and then 3 and 2. I did 3/4 of my head off camera, and the hair I am using is this 3 times large passion twist, 18-inch in the color 2. And I am going to add this moisturizer to the length of my hair to give my hair some moisture because it was a little dry on the end. So I am adding that Shea Moisture Curl Stretch Pudding, and then I am going in with the jam right on top to stretch the hair and get it super slick so that it will mold right into the passion twist hair extensions. Now these twists are pre-twisted, so I like to pull them apart and then go ahead and start installing the passion twist. So as you all can see, I am using my hair as a 3rd strand, and I am just going to braid down 8 times before I begin twisting. Once I finish braiding, I am going to combine my hair with one of those strands, and as I twist, I am basically rolling my hair with the hair extension so that my hair is basically tucked away and that the twist is tight and it will not unravel. I had this hairstyle in for 2 weeks now and I haven't had any of my passion twists unravel. And if I need to add more jam to mesh my hair with the hair extensions, I'm not afraid to add more to make sure that it is secure. And then once my hair is concealed, I begin twisting the hair freely and not as tight so that it can have that passion twist look. For this hairstyle, you do not have to twist the hair all the way down to the ends, but you do want to do a simple knot twice around the hair itself. If you have a hard time separating the hair from each other, just give it a little cut like I did, and it'll be fine. So I'm just doing 2 little knots with a small piece of hair strand just to make sure that it is secure and that the twist will not come loose. And once it is secured, then I am going to cut and make sure that the length matches the other twist. And we are going to repeat this process for our remaining sections, adding the moisturizer and then adding the jam on top, unraveling the pre-packaged passion twist, using my hair as a third strand to braid down 8 times, combining my hair with one of those strands and making sure that I roll my hair and that particular strand together, and then doing a tight rope twist until my hair is fully concealed. And then twisting to the desired length. And then taking a small piece of hair from either strand to do the simple knot. And as you all can see here, I cut that small strand that I took apart because it was hard to separate, and I'm just knotting the hair around itself twice. And then leaving some curls at the end, but cutting the rest off so that it matches the length of the rest of the hair. To lay my edges, I am going to be using this even edge control, and throughout this hairstyle I have only laid my edges twice, once doing it and then the following week when I wanted to put it all up in a ponytail. And I'm just being super gentle and just making sure that they are smooth and meshing well with each section. I wanted to add a few accessories, so I'm just adding 3 gold pieces to the side of my hair, and then I am actually going to pin it over to the side because I like this look better for this hairstyle, and I'm just using a bobby pin to secure that. And of course you need to tie your edges down if you want them to stay in place for a while. So I did that for about 20 minutes or while I put on a few makeup for you guys, and voila, like this is the final look. I was unsure about how this was going to come out on me, but I really like it. It really makes me look like I am beach ready, ready for the summer and ready to be outside, if you know what I mean. So I am really in love with this hairstyle, and I really think it really came out super cute and pretty, and it is cool. I really hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I hope to see you all in the next one. See ya!